Make bank with these top affiliate marketing strategies. Affiliate programs are one of the best sources of revenue on the internet. If you can learn how to engage your readers, you'll be able to sell them products, encourage them to click on links, and have unstoppable earning power. Here are a selection of tips that will help you find affiliate marketing success. Know the tracking processes that your affiliates use to track visitors from your website to theirs and on to successful sales. Make sure that these tracking procedures are robust and cover sales that get made offline. Inadequate customer tracking can cost you money in commissions that your affiliates rightly owe you for the sales that you generate. To improve the exposure and visibility of their affiliates' products, savvy website owners will review those products on their website. Not only does this foster interest and potential sales among the webmaster's visitors, but the webmaster can also submit the product review to video directories and indexes, boosting the visibility of his or her own site. Along with all the other options to account for with an affiliate marketing program, look at how ad placement affects your revenue. Certain ad positions on your site, and even on individual pages, will garner more visitor interest than others. If you track the results you get from individual positions, you can fit the most profitable ads to the most visible placements, boosting your revenue. Be sure to write quality content and then enhance it with affiliate links. Consider your affiliate links as resources for your clients that will make it easy for them to purchase the product or service you sincerely recommend. If your review of the product is shallow and makes it clear that you don't really have personal experience with the product, no one will click on your links, no matter how many you post. Many people dream of finding a job that will let them work from home. If you work to master affiliate marketing, a great work-at-home job will be yours. The advice in this video is very useful to anyone interested in affiliate marketing. As you apply it, you should see your earning potential skyrocket. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.